we are again solving some problem related to numbers. These questions are not from NCERT, other than NCERT, and these are very very important and like hot patties जैसा है questions. अब खुद ही देख लेना. The question is, the sum of three numbers A, B, C is 105. B is greater than A by 12 and is less than C by 15 and is less than C. That means here it is talking about B. So B is less than C by 15. Find the numbers. एकदम बिल्कुल हॉट पैटीज जैसा क्वेश्चन है. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन ए एंड बी. बी इज ग्रेटर देन, दैट मीन्स बी माइनस ए इक्वल टू 12. अगेन बी इज लेस देन सी. सी माइनस बी equal to 15. This is the relation between A, B, C. Now, B is connected with A and B is also connected with C. That means B is the mediator. We have to find out first B. Now, as per question, A plus B plus C equal to 105. Now from here we get value of A is B minus 12 plus B plus C 15 plus B equal to 105. ये जो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है सब में B is involved. क्यों? We are making this equation as linear equation in one variable. So it is the linear equation in one variable. Now B, 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 3B, 15 minus 12, that is plus 3 equal to 105. 3B equal to 102. B equal to 102 divided by 3, that means 34. Now we have found the value of B as 34. So it is very easy to find out the value of A and C also. Now A equal to 34, A equal to B minus 12 equal to 34 minus 12 equal to 2. And C equal to 15 plus B, 15 plus 34, 49, and B is 34. B is obviously 34. This is equal to 105. This is the value of A, B and C. Very easy question. Now come to question. Now this is the second question. Find the largest number that divides 273 and 408, leaving remainder 3. क्या बोला है, क्या अगर 408 को 273 से डिवाइड करते हो तो आपको रिमाइंडर 3 मिलेगा. नाउ हाउ टू सॉल्व इट? हियर इन दिस केस I will apply one method, that is Euclid division algorithm. Euclid by Euclid division algorithm. Method. He will come to know this method in class 10 also. Now before that I am applying in class 8, so it will be useful to you. Now 408 equal to 273 into 1, so remainder will be 135. Now again dividing 273 equal to 135 into 2 plus 3. Now 135, again dividing this by this, 3 into 45. (135) plus 0. Now here the last divisor is 3, but we have been asked to find the largest number. The largest number would be 45. कैसे, मैं बताता हूँ. जैसे 8 को आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो 2 से, 4, दैट मीन्स रिमाइंडर कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे 8 का लोएस्ट डिवाइजर इज 2 और 8 का हाईएस्ट डिवाइजर इज ऑल्सो 4. तो दिस इज द लोएस्ट डिवाइजर, दिस इज द highest divisor of the same number 8. Here also we can divide 135 by 3, remainder will be 45, remainder will be 0. Now we can also also divide 135 by 45, quotient will be 3 and remainder will be the 0. So highest divisor will be 45 here in this case. Thus the largest divisor of 408 45. This is the answer. Now this is the third question and real sense में ये बहुत ही crispy type का question है. 4 times a certain number is as much less than 60 as 7 times the number greater than 61. Find the number. It is very, very favorite question for me. Now, let the number be, let the number be x. 4 times a certain number, that means 4x, is much less than the 60 equal to 7 times the number greater than 61, 7x less than 60, 60 minus 4x, 7x minus 61. This is the actual equation. 4 times certain number is as much less than 60, that means 60 से कम है, तो 60 से कम है, and 7 times the number greater than 61, ये 7 times 61 से 7 time number है, तो now 7x plus 4x और 60 plus 61, 121 equal to 11x. 121 divided by 11 equal to x, x equal to 11. This is the, find the number, this is the number, x equal to 11. Very easy. Only problem is in the language. इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ कि different type का questions करो different books से. This is the required number. This is the fourth question. The difference between two positive integers is 50. The ratio of these numbers is 1:3. Find the integers. Now, first of all, let the first integer be x. First integer and second integer would be x minus 50. बंद कर दो, confusion हो रहा है. Now this is the first integer, this is the second integer. Now come to the point, ratio. X divided by x minus 50 equal to, this is bigger and this is smaller. So in this case it will come for bigger 3 और lesser 1. यहाँ पे होगा 3x minus 150 equal to x. यहाँ पे 3x minus x equal to 150, 2x equal to 150, x equal to 75. Therefore, the first integer equal to x equal to 75. The second integer equal to x minus 50 equal to 75 minus 50 equal to 25. These are the two integers, positive integers, 75 and 25. Thus, the two positive integers are 75 and 25. This is the solution. This is the fifth question. Two numbers are in the ratio 8:3. If the sum of the numbers is 143, find the numbers. मैंने कभी बोला था कि डिजिट्स के टाइम पे कि जब डिफरेंस होता है वहाँ पे एक्स से करना पड़ता है, एक्स, और यहाँ पे है साम, तो यहाँ पे सेकेंड नंबर जो होगा वो 143 माइनस एक्स होगा. ये मैंने डिजिट्स के टाइम आपको एक टिप्स दी थी. नाउ टू नंबर्स आर इन द रेशियो, लेट द नंबर्स बी, let the first number be x and the second number would be 143 minus x. Now come to the ratio. Now x divided by 143 minus x equal to, this is the greater and this is the smaller. So for smaller we will take 3 and for a bigger one we will take 8. Now by cross multiplication we will get 8x equal to 429 minus 3x. 8x plus 3x equal to 429. 11x equal to 429. Now x equal to 429 divided by 11, it will come 39. So the numbers are, the first number is 39, the second number is 143 minus 39. एक सौ 4. देखो 104. This is the solution. This is the sixth question. 4/5 of a number is more than 3/4 of the number by 4. Find the number. Very easy. Now let the number be x. Now 4/5 of a number, 4/5 of the number, that is x, equal to 3/4 of that the same number plus 4. This is the equation. Now 4x divided by 5 equal to 3x plus 16 divided by 4. Now by cross multiplication, 16x equal to 15x 80. 16x minus 15x equal to 80. X equal to 80. So find the number. This is the number, required number. The required number is 80. Very easy question. Now in the next video I will be coming back with a topic, fraction. Now till then, wait and goodbye.